Question number 3 is x squared minus 2x minus 6. And the instruction is to graph this quadratic using what? Table. Am I making sense? What is the instruction to graph using what? Table. Now, how do we go about this? The first thing I want you guys to do is to check what is your A. Look at your A. What is your A right now?
X squared.
A, 1. Thank you. Your A. When you don't see a number right here, it's always 1. Right? What is your B? Look at your B. What is your B?
Negative 2x.
Negative 2. Negative 2. Thank you, Japan. What is your C?
Negative 6.
Negative 6. Now, how do we do this table? For you to graph a quadratic, you need at least the minimum points you need is just 5. That's the minimum points. And where do we start from? You always want to start from the middle point. It's just my thing. And how do I know the x value to use for the middle part? You always want to use your vertex. And how do you figure out your vertex? X equals what? Negative b over what? 2. Now let's look at this. Negative b over what? 2a. Did you see what I did? Negative b over what? 2a. What is my b? We did it already. Negative 2. What is my a?
1.
1. It's right there, right? 1. And let's do the computation here. So this tells me negative becomes what? Positive 2. 2 times 1? 2. And what is 2 over 2?
4. Wait. No, I'm thinking of subtraction. It means addition.
2 over 2 is what? 1. So this tells me the x value for my vertex is what? 1. And from this, all you do now, you count forward and you count what? Backwards. This is how I always start my table.
Now what happens if you start from anywhere else besides the middle?
This is always the best way to go about it. This is always the best way to go. So we'll come out really even out. Okay. So my vertex is this. You always want to start using the vertex. Goes in the middle part. Now I'm going to count forward. 1, 2, 3. Then I'm going to count back. 0. No, sorry. 1, 0, negative 1. Did you see that? So you get your vertex first, you count forward, then you count what? Back. Picture your number line. And all you have to do now is now we use this. X squared minus 2x minus 6. So what do? X squared minus 2x minus 6. So what is x?
Negative 1.
Negative 1. You see how I do it in parentheses? Negative 1. Now, what is negative 1 times negative 1? Negative 1 squared gives me what? 1. Negative times negative is what? Positive. Now, look at this. I'm going to picture this as negative 2. I know it's minus 2, but I'm going to picture this as what? Negative 2 times negative 1, which gives what? Positive. I'll say plus 2. So picture this as negative. Now, minus what? 6. Now, let's put this together. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. 3. 3 minus 6. Negative 3. Now, let's go to the next one. 0 squared minus 2 times 0. Remember following this template. Minus 6. Let's put this together. 0 squared is what? 0. 2 times 0 is to what? 0. Minus 6. 0 minus 0 minus 6 gives me what? Negative 6. Let's go to now. I'm coming here now. 1 squared. And someone has sometimes, Mr. Coyote, can I just put parentheses all the time? It's your choice, yes. But you can still do it. Minus 2 times 1 minus 6. Is
Is
everyone familiar with me now? Alright. 1 square, what is 1 square? 1. 2 times 1 minus 2 minus 6. Now let's go from left to right. 1 minus 2. Negative 1. Negative 1 minus 6. Negative 7. To be honest with you, if I'm doing this, I will kind of stop here. Because the moment, and you're just gonna see why I love doing it this way. The moment I get to the middle part, I can figure out the rest. Guess what this is gonna be? This one is gonna be exactly as this. And the last one is gonna be this. So what do? I'm just gonna say the moment I get to the middle part, I know this one is gonna be negative 6. It works like magic all the time. And the last one is gonna be what? Negative what? 3. Let me show you why. Let's see if it's a true statement. 2 squared minus 2 times 2 minus 6. Remember the template. What is 2 squared? 4. 2 times 2 minus 4 minus 6. What is 4 minus 4? 0. 0 minus 6. Did you see that? Now next one. 2 squared. No, is this 2 squared or 3 squared? 3 squared minus 2 times 3 minus 6. Let's see if this is going to give us negative 3. What is 3 squared? 9. 2 times 3 minus what? 6. Minus 6. What is 9 minus 6?
3.
Negative 3, right? 3 minus 6? Negative 3. You see, it works like magic all the time. So the moment you get to the middle part, you can just say, I know this one is going to be this exactly the same as this, and I know this is going to be exactly the same as the first one. Got it? Now I have enough information to graph it. Now let's graph it. The first one, negative 1, negative 3. Negative 1, negative 3 is down there. 0, negative 6. 0, negative 6. 1, negative 7. 1, negative 7. 2, negative 6. 2, negative 6. 2, negative 6. And the last one, 3, negative 3. 3, negative 3. Now, see, my quadratic looks more like this. Now, can someone tell me why does this, Jermaine, you have to tell me, why does this quadratic opens upward? Yes.
Positive.
Thank you. Because the A is what? Positive. So when your A is negative, it looks like a what? N. When your A is positive, it looks like a what? U.
What I was gonna say about that.
Check.